This is a SIXT puzzle and I will show you how to solve it in this video. This puzzle was designed by Dr. Volker Latussek and made by Puzzle Guy. Difficulty level of this puzzle is 9 out of 10 on a Puzzle Master's difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10. And the goal of the puzzle is quite simple, just fit all 6 parts inside the frame, which is quite a difficult challenge. As you could see at the beginning of the video, the parts were packed in such a way that one of the parts, or even more than one part, were sticking out of the box. And you have to reorganize them and fit all of them inside. And if you do it just by putting random parts inside, you will be able to fit like 2 parts. Maybe you will find a way like to put 3 parts, maybe even 4, but most of the times you will end up with the parts sticking out of the frame like that. That is not the solution. If you like the SIXT puzzle and you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca and don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more videos from Puzzle Master. And now I'll try to show you how to solve the puzzle. So we will start solving with this piece and you can drop it down here like that. It's not a mistake, just put it the way I showed you. Then you put this piece in the middle. The next one will be, it is actually hard to remember which piece goes next, since all the parts, they look very similar. This one, wait a sec, how it goes. This one goes next. Then we are looking for probably this piece. No, not this one. There is supposed to be a piece like that. Yeah, this one. It goes, no, wait a sec, not this one. Actually, what you have to do is to put 2 parts together. This one that you put previous and this one, and put them together inside like that. Just make sure that they fit nicely. What is wrong here? Yeah, like that. We have only 2 parts left. The next one will be this piece. It goes inside like that. And now the last part, it goes on top. And as you can see, the puzzle is solved. You even made a letter T on top of the puzzle. And if you flip it and solve the puzzle again, you will notice that in a flipped state, there is also letter T, but it is placed in kind of a little bit weird way. That was the solution of the SIXT puzzle. If you like this puzzle and you want to try some other awesome puzzles designed by Dr. Volker Latussek, go to puzzlemaster.ca.